Hello children, I'm Nisha here, your English teacher. Hope you all are doing good. So children, in last class what we have learned? We have learnt about a poem, A Happy Child. Hope you have done the classwork also. Now today we are going to learn about babies and the animals, which you have to write in the classwork notebook. So now there are different kinds of animals you see in your surrounding. Sometimes the animals move with their babies. You must have seen that, correct? So today through this PPT we are going to learn about their animals and the babies. So write down the name of the babies of the animals which you have to write in the classwork. The very first one is dog. So what is the baby of dog called? Puppies. What is the baby of dog called? Puppies. Now the second one is cat. C-A-T, cat. The baby of cat is known as kitten. Number 3, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. The baby of duck is known as ducklings. Number 4, lion. The baby of lion is known as cub. Number 5, cow. The baby of cow is known as calf. Number 6, butterfly. The baby of butterfly is known as caterpillar. Number 7, kangaroo. The baby of kangaroo is known as Joyce. So children, these are the name of animals as well as their babies which you have to write in the classwork notebook. And for reading skill I have given you few sentences. Let's have a look. The number 1, the tree is very big. Okay. Number 2, I am a girl. Number 3, I am a boy. Number 4, the child likes to play for the whole day. So these are the 4 sentences which you have to read. Moving on to the next one. Children, now open your textbook, page number 2. Be ready with your textbook. The very first thing, read and match the words with the pictures. Draw a line. So now here children, there is a picture of a boy as well as a girl. So what is the spelling of a boy? B-O-Y, boy. Spelling of a girl? G-I-R-L, girl. So here are 2 pictures. One picture is of boy and another picture is of girl. So what you have to do? You have to draw a line with the image and the word. Okay, so the image is there, boy's image is there. With the image you have to draw a line to the word. In the same way, the girl's image is there, you have to draw a line with the girl's image with the word. So this is the one main. The next main, fun with colors. Fill in the blanks with the right color. The very first question, what is the color of the happy child's house? Now here there are 4 questions. So children, what you have to do? You have to fill the color. You have to use crayon for that. The very first question is, what is the color of the happy child's house? So children, you remember what was the color of the child's house? It was red. Okay, so you have to put red crayon in the first box. Second one, what is the color of your house? Now children, you must be knowing. Okay, it depends upon student's house, like which is the color of your house. That color you have to fill it in the second box. Number 3, what is the color of the tree? So in the poem, can you see like what is the color of the tree? The color of the tree is green. So you have to fill green color in that box. Now the next one, what is the color of sun? So what you have to do, what is the color of sun? It can be orange, it can be yellow. Sometimes in the evening time it will look little orange. So either you can fill yellow or you can fill orange. So this is the next main. Okay, now moving to the third main. Let's talk. Is there a tree growing near your house? Tell us about the tree. Is it big or small? Do you like the tree? What is the name of the tree? Now children, you have to just move in your surrounding and see if there is any big or a small tree, and you have to find it out what is the name of the tree, like which tree is that. Is it a neem tree, or is this a banyan tree, or this is a coconut tree? You have to find it out, and what you have to do, you have to talk about that tree. So make a video and speak about the tree in 3 to 4 sentences and send it in the group. You have to mention the name of the tree also, what you have seen in your surrounding. Now moving to page number 3. There are many kinds of houses. Circle the ones you have seen. Now children, can you see in the picture there are 4 types of houses which they have shown. Okay, the very first one is HUT, hut. Second one is IGLOO, igloo. Number 3, FLAT, flat. Number 4, BUNGALOW, bungalow. So children, there are 4 kinds of houses. So which one you have seen in your surrounding, that you have to trace it with the pencil. Can you see little small dots are there? So if you have seen any house in your surrounding, so what you have to do, you just have to trace the dots with the help of your pencil. Next one. Draw your house here and talk about it. Now children, you have to draw a beautiful house in that space what is given in the textbook. Okay, and you have to write few lines, or you have to talk few lines about the house. So moving to the next main. How do you feel? Now children, there are 4 questions again. So what you have to do, either you feel happy or sad. According to the question, you have to write it down, and at the same time you have to draw also. So now there are 2 images. One is smiley face, second is sad face. Now I will be asking you the question. So in front of the question you have to draw the image. The very first one is when you get a new dress. So children, when you get a new dress, what will be your expression? You will be very happy. So draw a happy face. Second one, when you get hurt. So children, when you get hurt, when you fall down somewhere, what will happen? When you fell down, you will feel hurt. You will start getting pain. So your face will become sad. So what you have to draw? You have to draw a sad face. Number 3, when you share your things. So children, when you share your things with your parents or with your friends, what will be the reaction? You feel very happy, correct? You feel very happy that I have shared my thing with my friends. So you have to draw a smiley face and write HAPPY, happy. Next one, when you are ill. So when you are ill, what will happen? When you are sick, you will feel sad, correct? So you will not able to eat much things, you can't go out and play, so you will feel sad. So draw a sad face and write SAD, sad. Moving to the next main. Draw lines from the house to the people who live in your home. Okay, so now here, how many people are living in your home? So you have to draw a line. So here, my grandfather. Second one is my grandmother. Number 3, my father. Then my mother. Then my sister. My brother. So here there are 6 members. Image is shown in this picture, and a beautiful house. Okay, so now who all stay with you? So what you have to do, you have to again draw a line to the people who live in your home. If you are living with your grandfather, you have to draw a line through the grandfather. If you are living with your grandmother, again you have to draw a line till the grandmother image is there. If you are living with your mom and dad, then you have to draw one more line with the mom and dad. If you are living with your sister, you have to again draw a line to the sister image also. The next main, trace the number on the dotted lines. Now here children, there are few numbers along with the words they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to take a pencil and trace the dots. Okay, so you will get 6 numbers are there. At the same time you have to write ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6. So you have to trace the number on the dotted lines. Understood, children? Now moving to the next main. How many people live in your house? Now children, you must be knowing how many people are there in your house. You have to write the number of people in words. Moving to the next main. Join the dotted lines. Now here what you have to do, alphabet is given, correct? Letters are given A, B and C, and there are dotted lines. So what you have to do, you have to take a pencil and join the dots. When you join the dots, it can form a letters. So you have to write, first only you have to join the dots and you have to write the letters. Moving on to the next main. Look in a mirror. What do you see? Draw your face in this circle. So children, what you have to do? Just have to go and stand in front of a mirror and look at you. So you will find your face in the mirror. So same thing, what you have to do, in the circle you have to draw your face. Moving to the next main. Collect pictures of a cat, a cow, a dog and a sheep from old books or newspaper and paste them below. So what you have to do, you have to just go through the newspaper or old magazine, or sometimes the picture chart you will get it. You have to just cut the pictures of cat, cow, dog and sheep and you have to paste it in the textbook. So for this activity you can take help from your parents. The right side is about trace over the dotted lines and complete the monkey's tail. Can you see a monkey is hanging? So and at the same time there are small dotted lines. So what you have to do? Again you have to draw a line through the dotted join to the dots and join the lines. Okay. So the monkey is about to fall. So what you have to do? Again you have to trace the dotted lines. Moving to the next main. The following have lost their babies. Trace along the maze using different colors and find them. One has been done for you. So now here can you see there are lots of animals and the babies are there inside the wheel. So what you have to do, children? You have to join the dots again with the mama animal and the baby animal. So here cow is there, COW, cow, but at the same time in the wheel can you see the baby calf is also there. You have to just join the dots. At the same time DOG, dog is there, CAT, cat is there, DUCK, duck is there, LION, lion is there, KANGAROO, kangaroo is there, BUTTERFLY, butterfly is there. So have you seen, children, there are lots of animals pictures are there and the baby animals images are inside the wheel. So you have to match it and you have to trace the dots. Thank you, children. So now what you have to do, you have to do all the activities what I have mentioned in the PPT, and in the textbook only you have to do only the name of animals and babies. You have to do it in the classwork. At the same time you have to learn the poem and recite and upload the video in this group till 22nd of this month. So learn the poem and recite and upload the video in this group till 22nd of this month. Till now, take care, be safe at home. Thank you.